What's up, y'all? It's your girl Marquisha Dion. Now I'm back with a new video. In this video, I am going to be cleaning my tub, y'all. It looks so nasty. Look at it. So nasty. I don't know how it got this bad, but girl, it got this bad. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can know when the next time I post. I don't think I'm gonna talk during this video. I think I'm gonna just let y'all watch and watch me clean. I will say I did do this only once, and I will do it again. As y'all can see, my tub got the little thing missing from the front of it. No, this is not how my tub is on the regular. Maintenance was actually fixing my tub, and because it was clogging up, so they was actually fixing it, and that's why the little thing is off. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this video. Oh, and in this video I did use the Kangen toilet bowl cleaner. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I think I'm gonna show y'all in the video what I use. But yeah, girl, go ahead and watch. Girl, wear gloves, wear a mask, and don't put your hand on the wall to try to hold yourself up. I don't know what I was thinking. So girl, I was talking during this video, but I didn't realize I had the music playing in the background, and we don't need to get copyright. So basically, I'm gonna let this sit on the wall for 30 minutes. I did use the whole bottle on this one wall, and I'm gonna put some on the back wall and the front wall and let all of it sit. I did do that off camera. I didn't do that on camera. But yeah, and then once I let it sit for 30 minutes, I'm going to come back and use a brush. Either the brush that's hanging up on the shower caddy or another brush I had got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use that to scrub the wall. And girl, we just going to let y'all see what happens. So as y'all can see, like, it's literally clearing up. Now it's been about 30 minutes, maybe a little longer, and it is literally like clear. I'm finna look at that in that corner. I'm finna scrub that up there. Y'all, I am shook, and this is what I use to clean it. So I'm gonna get the brush and start scrubbing some more so it can come a little more clean, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the results. my God, look at her. Now she ought to be ashamed of herself coming out like that. I play too much, but as y'all can see, do y'all see what y'all see? Like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This video is really not doing my tub no justice. Like, the tub got so clean, so spotless. Like, y'all, it looked like a brand new tub. This video is really not doing any justice for it. But I will say I'm going to go over my tub again just one more time, with it. Like, look at the soap dish, y'all. I'm gonna go over my tub one more time with it. I did want to do it again the same day because my house smelled like pure Clorox. Like, my house was bleached out, y'all. It was ridiculous.
This really works. Yes, I use it for my toilet. Yes, this is my first time using it for my tub. But if my tub was to ever get like that again, which I'm probably not going to let it get that bad again because that was ridiculous. But yeah, it really works. It works for the tub. And I say, girl, do it. My whole house smells like pure Clorox bleach. But I would just feel like that and, be a little funky. But I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all comment. I hope y'all subscribe to your girl channel. And I hope y'all hit that bell so y'all can know when the next time I'm posting. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Anything else I need to talk about? No, other than my house smell like pure bleach. It's giving me a headache. I'm gonna open up all these windows, cut some fans on, had this air circulating in here. Other than that, yeah, I don't have no dislikes about it. I really like it and I will use it again and I recommend it for others. So, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair because like I said, my hair was touching the wall when I was spreading the cling. Is it called cling? The clinging. Whatever. When I was spreading it on the wall, it was getting on my hair. My hair was rubbing up against the wall, so I have to wash my hair, which I really didn't want to do, but I have to do it. So, again, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when the next time your girl is posting. So, thumbnail.